Who is Ruby Franke and what is 8 Passengers? Ruby Franke is an individual known for her involvement in the YouTube channel 8 Passengers. Launched with her husband in early 2015, the channel centered around the daily lives of their family, which included 6 children: Sherry, Chad, Abby, Julie, Russell, and Eve. At its peak, the channel had amassed nearly 2.3 million subscribers. Similar to many family-oriented channels on YouTube, 8 Passengers focused on depicting Ruby and Kevin Franke's parenting approach, as well as the upbringing and discipline of their children as they matured in Utah. The couple, who were members of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, also shared insights into their children's homeschooling experiences. As of a recent point in time, the channel was no longer accessible on YouTube. YouTube had not provided an immediate response regarding the removal of the channel, nor had they indicated the timing and reason for its removal. According to Forbes, the channel had been taken down earlier in the year. When approached, Kevin Franke directed NBC News to his attorney, Randy Kester, who had not responded to a request for comment. Efforts were also made to reach out to Ruby and Kevin Franke's adult children, Sherry Franke and Chad Franke. Sherry Franke had not responded to multiple requests for comment, while Chad Franke could not be reached for comment at the time. Criticism against the Frankes pertained to the broader context of family channels on YouTube. These channels, often showcasing the lives of parents raising their young children, have generated controversy in recent times. Some instances have led to viewers reporting concerning behaviors to authorities, resulting in the loss of custody for certain parents. Furthermore, there have been accusations of exploiting underage children for the sake of views. Despite amassing a substantial following, the Frankes found themselves under significant scrutiny, including allegations of child abuse. In June 2020, local child protective services were reportedly contacted following a Change.org petition requesting an investigation into the family. The petition referenced a now-deleted video where then 15-year-old Chad discussed sleeping on a beanbag for 7 months as a form of punishment for behavioral issues. At the time, Insider reported that Utah's Division of Child and Family Services had visited the Franke household, but subsequently closed the case due to a lack of substantial evidence supporting the claims. A spokesperson for the division declined to provide information about any past or present cases involving children or families, citing confidentiality and privacy reasons in an email to NBC News. The Frankes have faced criticism for their actions, including instances where they refused to provide lunch for their 6-year-old daughter at school when she forgot to pack one, issued threats to discard cherished belongings, and denied their children personal space. Connections, a life coaching service by Jody Hildebrandt, is known for its stringent approach to parenting and relationships. However, some critics view their teachings as extreme. In a particular video, Ruby Franke and Hildebrandt suggest that a child who doesn't adhere to their principles of truth may not exhibit unconditional love and could potentially be estranged from their family. Franke and Hildebrandt frequently collaborate on videos for Connections, with Franke being part of the business team and listed as a certified mental fitness trainer. Accusations against Franke involve her recent arrest in Utah on charges of aggravated child abuse. This followed the discovery of a malnourished child with wounds and duct tape on their extremities. Hildebrandt faced similar charges. In Utah, aggravated child abuse is defined as causing serious physical injury to a child or allowing another to do so. The Santa Clara Evans Public Safety Department revealed that evidence led them to a nearby residence where another child was found in a comparable state. Both children received medical attention, and 4 other minors were placed under the care of the Division of Child and Family Services. Sherry Franke, the eldest child, shared an Instagram story expressing relief that justice was being served. She mentioned that she and her family had been informing the authorities about the situation for years. Sherry also noted that while the kids were safe, there was still a challenging journey ahead. Sherry Franke had previously mentioned her disconnection from her immediate family and her disagreement with the extreme beliefs of Connections. Ruby Franke's sisters, including Elle Meckham, Julie Griffiths-Daru, and Bonnie Holine, who are also family influencers, jointly posted on Instagram that her arrest was necessary. They disclosed that behind the scenes, they had taken steps to ensure the safety of the children over the past 3 years.